Kristin Crowley.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Chief. Here we are, so good morning. Yesterday, I spent the day in the Palisades community and visited a number of our fire stations, Fire Station 23 and Fire Station 69, and had the opportunity to talk with our members who were the first on scene at the Palisades fire. Even without running water, gas, or electricity, your LAFD firefighters are doing everything they can to help the community. Although it was devastating to see firsthand the destruction of this fire, it is tremendously uplifting to see the outpour of support from all over Los Angeles region. There are donations of food, water, supplies, literally spilling over and out into our local fire stations that have become hubs for all of us to grieve, to have a warm meal, and to also gather together and support one another. Your LAFD firefighters and everybody involved in these active fire incidences will continue to work relentlessly around the clock. I will now provide a brief update on the 2 active fires that are burning within the city of Los Angeles. Palisades fire. Air and ground crews worked tirelessly overnight with favorable wind conditions to prevent further spread into the Mandeville Canyon area. The fire is currently at 23,707 acres with 4,720 personnel that are assigned with 11% containment. Evacuation orders and warnings remain in place. I know this is incredibly frustrating, but I would like to understand it. I'd like to express and explain the why. Why our residents are not allowed to come back into that area. There are still active fires that are burning within the Palisades area, making it extremely, extremely dangerous for the public. There's no power, there's no water, there's broken gas lines, and we have unstable structures. The first responders are working as quickly as possible to ensure that it is safe for you to return into your communities. Canine search teams have been deployed to assist with our recovery efforts. The Hearst fire. I'm extremely pleased to report that this fire has been held to 799 acres and is now 89% contained with over 300 firefighters assigned. Now today, strong north to northeast winds gusts are up to 50 miles per hour with low humidity will be observed. A red flag warning is in effect and will remain until 6 p.m. Wednesday evening. Strong Santa Ana winds are also expected to last through Wednesday, with the strongest winds occurring on Tuesday. With the next wave of wind events, I want to be very, very clear here. It's very important that the community understands that these wind events are coming into Los Angeles. I want to reassure you that Mayor Bass, Chief McDonald, and I are united and focused on exactly what we need to do to prepare the city with these next strong winds that are coming. Every available LAFD firefighter is on hand and will remain in place through this wind event. Additionally, firefighters continue to pour into Southern California region to bolster our firefighting capabilities. Next, I'd like to introduce LA County Sheriff